Simple, fresh herbs and a little bit of Dijon mustard in the creamy sauce is what makes this chicken and pasta dish extra delicious.
Fresh tarragon, lemon, garlic, and Dijon mustard flavor the creamy sauce that coats onions, mushrooms, chicken, and fettuccine pasta. Begin by heating a large skillet coated with olive oil. Throw in the cubed chicken breast and season with a bit of salt and pepper. Flip them as they cook on one side to the other until they're no longer pink. This should only take about 5 minutes. Remove the cooked chicken from the pan and set it aside on a plate. Add more olive oil to the skillet while it's still warm, and then toss in the mushrooms and onions. Season with salt and pepper. Give them a stir from time to time while they soften and brown a bit. And now heavily salt the pasta water in a large stock pot and bring it to a boil. Then add in the pasta as normal, and it'll cook at about the same time as the sauce. About 5 to 7 minutes later, the mushrooms and onions are looking beautiful like this. Turn the heat down and add the chopped garlic. Stir it to mix it in well for a minute or so, and this will also allow the garlic to become really fragrant. Then pour in the lemon juice, Dijon mustard, sour cream, or plain Greek yogurt if you prefer. Stir it in well and turn off the heat until you get all of the cooked pasta into the skillet. Add the cooked chicken back into the pan as well and sprinkle with chopped fresh tarragon. Then turn the heat to medium-low and bring it all together by stirring it. Give it a taste and re-season it if it's needed. If the sauce seems too thick, which is often the case, add in some pasta water, chicken stock, white wine, or a combination of them. Whatever you have on hand and enjoy the flavor most. Pour the tarragon chicken and pasta into a serving bowl. Garnish with a sprinkle of a little more fresh tarragon, and dinner is ready.
Easy to make and sure to satisfy. What more could you ask for?
You can find the recipe for tarragon chicken and pasta at homewithshay.com. Shay Ryan, ABC Action News.